fellow excavators, ever since one of us fell from the sky, we have been bold explorers, discovering new lands, seeking out new friends, dealing with round things.
Ugh, round things.
Well, I say it's time to tackle the ultimate round thing, the moon. Let's solve the puzzle of how to put a square on the moon without using rockets. Square power only. Why? Because it's fun to try. Great.
I'll be test pilot.
But
how will we get all the way? Sorry about that. All the way up there?
We call in some friends. Some big square friends.
63 commencing yellow and black test flight. All systems checking out. 7 by 9. Wish me excavator. Whoa, oh, whoa, yowzer, he. Didn't get that high, but I did just invent the square excavator. Guess you've got to give it a go to get excavator.
72.
Ah, there you are. This way. I've got so much to show you. I'm 72, and I can be a strong square, a chessboard, a super rectangle, 8 octoblocks, or even a super cube. But today, I want to show you a little trick I call binary boosters, using the power of doubles to send any number flying. First, I split in two, 32, and 16,
and 8, and 4, and 2,
and 1, and 1 more to press the big red button. Then you choose who's going up.
1 of me, and none of me,
and 1 of me, and 1 of me, and none of me,
and 1 of me, and fire.
3. $45 way up high. Amazing. But not a square.
Wait and see.
We're
two squares.
Top.
The edge of space. Nearly there. A true.
Amazing. We sent a square to the edge of space without rockets. We just need a little more power.
81.
Huh? What was that sound?
Why, that would be me, of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit.
Wow. That's 1 mega sneeze.
Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in
Two. We have liftoff. Primary launch stage completed. Engaging secondary star. Chew. We've reached space. Second stage complete. Chew.
Entering lunar orbit. Launching lunar lander.
Chew.
The excavator has landed.
We did it. The only thing left now is to plant the Square Club flag.
Numberland, we have a problem. I forgot the flag.
Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of this.
91.
And I promise, square power only.
Chew.
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 Hello. Looking for this?
We're standing on the moon without juice?
The excavator has landed.
Okay, let's do teaching about 1 to 20 squares without 9s with very big squares. Okay, what's 1 times 9? 9.
But how do we get all the way?
Achoo.
6 friends. 15. Okay, what's 4 times 9? 36.
36.
51. Okay, what's 9 times 9? 81.
81.
132. Okay, what's 16 times 9? 144.
144.
276. Okay, what's 25 times 9? 225. 501. Okay, what's 36 times 9? 324. 825. Okay, what's 49 times 9? 441. 1266. Okay, what's 64 times 9? 576. 1842. Okay, what's 81 times 9? 729. 2571. Okay, what's 100 times 9? 900.
900.
3,471. Okay, what's 121 times 9? 1,089. 4,560. Okay, what's 144 times 9? 1,396. 5,956. Okay, what's 169 times 9? 1,621. 7,577. Okay, what's 196 times 9? 1,864. 9,441. Okay, what's 225 times 9? 2,045. 11,486. Okay, what's 256 times 9? 2,504. 13,990. Okay, what's 289 times 9? 2,901. 16,891. Okay, what's 324 times 9? 2,916. 19,807. Okay, what's 361 times 9? 3,249. 23,056. Okay, what's 400 times 9? 3,600. 26,656.